Hello guys, today in this tutorial I will show you how you can implement chat.js in your Angular project. And guys, here you can see the preview. I already implemented this chat.js in my Angular project, and if I hover on it, so you can see the data. Okay, so this chart I will implement in my Angular project, and if you see how to implement this chat.js, so then you can modify your chat, and you can change your chat like bar chart, pie chart, everything you can do that. Okay, so in this video just I will show you. So let's keep watching this video, don't skip. So first of all guys, I will open my visual code editor. Okay, so guys, you can see I open my code editor, and here I already open app component.html file and app component.ts file because I want to implement this chat.js in app component. So I have opened these two files. Okay, and here I will show you. So here you can see this is my project. Okay, and from this project I open these two files. Suppose you want to implement in your another component, like there are different types of component maybe. So you can you want to implement home component, so you open home component html and home component ts. Otherwise, if you want to implement it about component, so you can open about component.html file and about component.ts file. I hope you have understand. So here I want to implement app component.html file. So now guys, I will go to my browser again, and I will open another tab, and from here I will open first of all chat.js official site. So here I will write chat.js only, and I will click enter, and after clicking that enter from my keyboard, here you will find this one. So from that, here you can see chat.js docs. So I will open this link, and guys, this link I will provide in my description. Okay, so from description you can you also get this link. Okay, and now here you will find the document in this site. So from this document you can modify your chat. Okay, and here you can see getting started. So here is the installation. So here is the installation command is npm install chat.js. So this is installation command for Angular. So how I get? So just here I have clicked this getting started, and after this installation, so then I am getting this one. And now guys, here is the chat type. So here you will get different types of chat. So this is line chart. So this is the code for line chart, and bar chart. So this is bar chart. So here is the code for bar chart. So here is the different types of chart. So first of all, we have to be implement this chart in our project. After that you can modify, and you can implement any kind of chart, but before that we have to be install this chart. So again I will go to getting started and installation, and here is the installation command npm install chat.js. So I will copy this command, and now here I will open editor, and here I will open new terminal, and this new terminal I will paste this npm install chat.js. Here I will show you this one, and I will increase the size of this editor, then it will be clear to you. So here you can see that. Okay, and where I open new terminal, because in the another terminal my project is running, you can see here. So that's why I have opened another new terminal. Here in this terminal I will install our chat.js. So I will click enter, and it will just take some time to install. So guys, here you can see my chat is already installed. Okay, so now I will decrease the size of the terminal, and I will close. I will remove this terminal because I don't need that. And now I will open browser. So after installing this, here I have to be import chat. So for that guys, I will open another site. So this is createdev.blogspot.com. So here I already add the documentation. Okay, so this link this link I will provide the description also. So if you go to you want to go this site, so you go to my description of this video, and here and there you will find this link. Okay, here I have written how you can implement. So After opening that, just you will get this type of interface. And then here also I have written this npmi chart.js, this installation command I have written here also. Okay, so here guys, just I have implemented simple chart. Otherwise from the official side you can modify and you can use different kind of chart. Okay, so guys, here after that, here you can see first of all this import, and here I have import this view child. So I will copy this view child, and now just I will go to ts file, and here this import line, here you can see this import line I will paste view child, because view child comes from @Angular code. So now here I will add comma and paste this view child. Now I will go to browser again, and here you can see for using this chart, here I have to be import this chart. So I will copy this one and just here I will paste, and now here you can see this one from here, and this chart I have used inside this ng after view in it. So you have to be copy from this canvas from here to at the end. Okay, and now this one below the ng on it, just I will paste. So now it's done, and after that this is the HTML code. So I will copy this one, and here I will paste. But before guys, just I will add container. So you know what is the use of container? So container is the bootstrap class, and it used for adding some space on left and right. So container, again I'm saying container is the bootstrap class. It's not included this chart.js. I have written this container for adding space in left and right, and now inside this container just I will paste this code which I copied from here. So if you open this website, so here you will find all the code and all the details. Okay, so now I will save this one, and I will save this ts file also, and it's compiling. So after compile, so I will go to browser and I will show you chat is implemented or not. So now compiled successfully, and now I will go to browser. So we can see here chat is implemented. But here I want to say one thing, that is if you do only this process, so you will get a error, and the error is chart type error. So this chart here, this comes from chart.js. So here you will get a error, chart type error. So for removing this error, you have to be install chart type. So I already installed chart type. Okay, so I will try to show. So I will open package.json file, and here if I try to find, so I already installed chart.js, so that's why chart type, so that's why I'm not getting this error. So here I can find. But guys, if you get any kind of type error, I mean if you get error here at the import line, so that time you have to be install chart type. So again I will go to this website, and here if you come, so here this command is for installing chart type. So here you can see the command npm i -save -dev @type /chart.js. So once you open this site, so you will get all the command. Okay, so here if you get, I'm again saying that if you get any error of chart type in here, I mean just here if you get any error, so that time you have to be install this command. Okay, and it would be better if you already install without error. You have to be install this command. If you install this command, so it's a better. Okay, and another thing, that is, maybe you are getting another error, that is chart versions error. I have installed the chart new version. So again I will open package.json file. So here is the package.json file. So I will try to show. So here you can see this install is chart 2.9.4. so if you install this command npm I chat.js, I mean whatever I had shown here, npm install chat.js, so it will be install the npm version, that is, you can see here v3 verse, that means v is the sort of version 3.11. so it's a new version. At that time maybe you are getting error, you may get a error. So for that you have to be change your version. So for that the best version is this one, 2.9.4. so for installing this 2.9.4 version of this chat.js, the command is this one, npm I chat.js @2.9.4. so this is the command to install chart 2.9.4 version. so I install this 2.9.4 version of chart. So that's why I'm not getting any kind of error. So if you are getting any kind of error, so I'm again saying that if you get any kind of error, so first of all you change the version of chart, this one 2.9.4, and install the type. This is the type of chart.js. so if you install both two command, I mean more this two command, so then this command and this command, so you will not get error. Okay, so otherwise if you getting a error, so you can write in comment, but before that just here you have to install this and this command, and after that if you get any error, so you can write in comment. Okay, and now you can see here the chart is implemented. And now if you want to try, if you want to modify, so then you can go to official site, and here you will find all kind of chart. Like you have to go to chart type. Suppose you want to implement this line chart, so for that here you have to be scroll down, and here just setup, and here just this data and this data set. So I want to show you, here is the data and the data set. So here I will copy this from data, so from here. So now this data I will remove. Okay, so I mean from here to here, sorry guys, it's here to here, just I will remove. So I will paste this one, so I'm getting error. So guys, to remove this error here, just I don't need that, so I will remove. And I don't need that label, so I will remove this one. And here just I have to be write it colon, and here I have to be remove this semicolon. So now the error is removed. And type is, you can see this config type is line. So here I will write line and save. And now you can see the line chart is implemented. So this way here is the defined kind of documentation, so you have to be read the documentation and just implement after reading all the documentation. So you will find here all the documentation here. Okay, so you can read this way and you can use. So hope guys you have understand how to implement. So if you once implement this chat, so then you can use anything, I mean then you can modify and and change your chart type, and you can more add some another different kind of property and use this chart like this way. So you can change your chart and everything. Okay, so hope guys this video is helpful to you. So here I was trying to implement this radar chart. So for that, just here I have to be change this label and this data set also, but I didn't do that. I just said the type is radar, but I did not do the these things. So if I do that, so it will be implemented this radar chart. So this way everything you will find here the documentation. So just you have to be read and use. So hope guys this video is helpful to you, and if you want to get more this type of Angular videos, so please subscribe and press the notification bell icon.